Okay, this is Mario once again with MIA Microflight, and I've been working on some additional accessories for this train track. This is for my grandkids. When they come here, they can play with these things. I've been adding a few other things. This is a Ferris wheel. This is in its early stages. This is my prototype here. I actually wanted this to be on the inside, but the distance of the track is supposed to mate with the rest of the track here. It's not allowing it to clear these the arms, the distance from hand to hand of these little people that you can buy as part of the wooden train sets. So I'm kind of rethinking this. Everything works as is. I mean, if I do it on the outside, yeah, it works. I also have another four of these seats that go on the other side, so it balances out the weight. And so that would work that way manually. You know, you can just work these things. But I want to automate this, so I'm working on an electric motorized setup here. So I'm doing that next, but this is basically how it's going to be, and you can put this in any part of the track, because this is mounted on the track itself. So that's going to be, or you can leave it standing up in any area that's not obtrusive to the operation of these miniature trains. And so that's what I've been working on. I also have some other buildings and layouts to create little ponds or water areas. I also have some greens that are going to be set up, you know, to kind of mimic some grass pads or lawns or more greenery. These trees, I'm pretty much done with these trees. I don't think I'm going to do any more trees, although I wanted to do this tree a little more three-dimensional, bring out this pattern here forward as I did all these that you see here, and kind of similar to that more three-dimensional tree that you see it out there. So that's going to be, that'll be further down the line here. Pretty much this is the layout as I have it on my CAD program laid out. And it's working really nice. I do have to work a little bit more on the supports, because right now they're just black. The same track that I'm using is blocks to support the track, but I do have blocks that I designed specifically for the track that look more like that, and some of them have almost like Lego blocks to make up for the higher heights or lower heights. So I have to get those assembled and mounted on the track at the heights that you see the upper levels mounted at. But I wanted to capture this on video and just do this as an update to all the things that I've been working on, you know, with this track. Once again, this particular track is downloaded from Thingiverse. But the connectors, as I said earlier in my other videos, the connectors are mine. All the connectors you see in yellow and red and gray are mine. I have the bridges are mine. You know, those bridges, the yellow parts that you see there, and the trees, of course, are mine, and the first wheel is mine, my design. But I do have some other tracks that I created, you know, with my own particular details, such as this bridge here that I had to take the measurements of that track here, and because you know, you don't get the CAD files, I had to basically take all the measurements from that sort of hill and make my own. That's why you have this. It's not exactly the same, but as far as distance and width and height of the track, it's the same thing, because all these tracks follow the wooden track proportions. So I believe whoever did this particular track here that you can download from Thingiverse, took those dimensions, and I've been doing the same thing, in CAD, just kind of reverse engineering the wooden tracks so that everything is more interlocking with any particular track, so you can mix and match, whatever track you like, as long as it's designed along the same lines as the wooden tracks. Anyway, this is my setup here. Mario, once again, with the My Flight. Stay tuned for more.